Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a quick little Dollar Tree haul. This is from, I don't even know, like a week ago or something. I found a really large Dollar Tree that wasn't too far from my house. But anyway, if you guys have been seeing all the hauls on YouTube, I was notified probably like a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, that Dollar Trees are now going to be having like a craft section, but only, here's the kick, it's only for stores that are 10,000 square feet and larger. So if it's a little hole in the wall, crappy one, like the two that are by my house, it's never going to be remodeled to get like entire aisles of craft store stuff. Just so you guys are aware. So I was on the hunt to look for a big store to see if they were remodeled. But anyway, this is from my crappy store. It did have that brand. See this Crafter's Square, like the little blue and stuff? Like, it's kind of like what some of the stuff was, the packaging was like for the newer stores. So they got some stuff, but they didn't have a whole aisle. So I just picked up some of these little jars. I don't know for what, setting stuff in. I grabbed some of the tube confetti that everybody has been hauling. And you guys, when people were showing this, I thought these were seed beads. Like, you know, those little tube seed beads? No. Let me show you. I took some out. They squish. It's literally a piece of foiled like streamer that's just bent up. I can't even show it on camera. Oh, let's see if we can get it undone. Look, it's just a triangle rolled up into a ball. Anyway, you get the idea. So I took some out. Like, this is super squishy. Like, I could flatten this down if I wanted to. So it's little like streamer metallic stuff rolled up in a ball. Picked up some Velcro, and I picked up some of this ribbon. This was at that new big store. I want to say Lori wrapped, it's like a mesh, not a mesh, organza with like wired ribbon on the edge, and she tied it in a bow, and it was so cute. So I got the purple one. I picked up some more of that Beacon Value like spray stuff. This is good for like flat paper, like, I don't use it all the time because this spray stuff is really messy. I mean, it gets everywhere, so I don't use it often, but it did work, so I picked up another one. And then I picked up, because I think I only have gold, silver, and orange spider webs. So this is purple spider webs that you can like fussy cut and stuff. So I picked up one of those, sparkle mesh. I picked up some of those balls. There was actually only one package. They have the same exact stuff at Hobby Lobby for $3.99, $4.99. So 99 cents is a killer deal. They had other colors like red and green. And then I picked up some of these little like spriggy things. I'm assuming they had more colors at one time, branches. But I liked the purple because I have some black, but it's like super thick from the craft store, and it was probably $3.99. So this is a really good deal, and look how much you get in one bundle. So I did go ahead and pick up 2 of those guys. Purple branches. And then good old earplugs for when I deliver my baby and all the nurses try to come in every 2 hours and wake me up and I want to murder them. So I have earplugs. That is it, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video.